Yay! We've had a few people ask since the last video about how the reviews and the goodie bags and everything's going to work, okay, and dates and stuff. So as it is at the moment, so any reviews that are posted on from now until the last weekend of September, everyone will have a goodie bag and you can pick it up from either IKEA or I Love You Me. At the last weekend of September, we will put all the reviews in a hat and we'll pick out one and we will have a draw, and we've got something extra special to give away for them. And then from then it'll go to the last weekend, it'll reset and go to the last weekend in October. So it goes to the last weekend. We will let you know beforehand exactly what days and times and everything. So we're busy mums and it won't be exactly the same time every month or anything like that, okay? Everyone that puts a review on the page will get a goodie bag, and then everybody at the end of the month will go into a draw and receive some goodies. We've got things like suck pads for 1 month, we've got a nice Tula blanket for another month, so every month there's one prize at the end of it. Okay, so any more questions, queries or whatever, then post them below or PM and I'll get back to you. Bye!